Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to talk about a serious topic, the war between Israel and Palestine. This conflict has been going on for many years and it affects millions of lives. It is not just a fight between two sides, but also a story of pain, history, and the hope for peace. The war between Israel and Palestine started many decades ago. After World War II, in 1948, the country of Israel was created, but the land was already home to many Palestinian people. Because of this, both groups, the Jews and Palestinians, claimed the same land as their own. Since then, there have been many wars, protests, and peace talks, but sadly, peace has not lasted for long. Both sides have lost many innocent lives men, women, and children. Cities have been destroyed, and families have been separated. The main reason for this conflict is disagreement over land, especially like areas like Jerusalem, which is very holy to Jews, Muslims, and Christians. Israel controls most of the land, while Palestinians live mainly in areas called the West Bank and Gaza Strip. In Gaza, people often face bombings, lack of water, food, and electricity. At the same time, people in Israel live in fear of attacks and rockets. Many countries around the world have tried to help both sides make peace, but peace can only come when there is an understanding, respect, and justice for everyone. In the end, the war between Israel and Palestine is not just about politics or land, it is about human lives. I believe that if both sides and the world work together with kindness and fairness, one day there can be peace in the land. Thank you.